Well, hello people of YouTube, back again on the GS. I got a little bit of play in the gear lever, and that's not going to focus, is it? You see the linkage in there, as I'll wiggle it, there's play in that top ball. So off of eBay I've got another one, so I'm going to fit that. The Torx bit holding this plastic cover on T30. Coming off, hopefully that's what it holds on. What comes out of there? That's the starter motor there. That's what that is. Oh, it's off of there. The starter motor over needs changing. That's easy enough to do. Well, saying it's easy enough to do, it doesn't look too bad for me either. There's a linkage in there. Yeah. So it's focused on the frame and post. You can see there's the top of the linkage there. Well, I've taken the bolt out of there. That's an E8 size socket. That little bolt there comes out of there. This should just pull off, but it doesn't seem to want to. So yeah, it doesn't seem. Try to stretch. I don't want to. Trying to gently. I'm supposed to gently leave it. That's coming, I think. Yeah, got some bolt out now. I want to make sure with the slot. So that's where it goes. Right, let's get it off. Well, I had to resort to putting a little puller on it. This is when it's meant for pulling wiper arms off the cars. Doesn't really fit on there too brilliantly. Right, it's moved. It's gently coming, but I'm sort of committed now, because if I can't get it off, I ain't going to get it back on again. I'm going to back this off again now, because I've moved it as I should now. It's not on a taper, so it should. So what I don't want to do is the jaws of this drag up on the splines of the shaft. Oh, sorry now. Just wiggle it like that. Got it. There it is. It slides it in, hopefully, like this. Right, you see the shaft there, so it won't go through there. Oh, that's not radical. Where's the old? Yeah, don't you see the edited highlights and put some channels? Oh Christ, what's that on there? Ah, I've got to be careful here. It's right up against the gear position indicator sensor thing, between the swinging arm and that. Wedged in there, I didn't notice that. Right. Sod it. It's got a... Yeah, that was... That's got it. So most of the editing you'll see will be me editing, or the editing you won't see, that's the thing, isn't it? It's me editing out when I'm waving the camera at inanimate objects like a lunatic. Right, yeah, that is quite notchy and quite stiff. So that's, both of them are, and that's got play in it, right. That's good. It means I found something wrong. Right. Right, this is a new one and this is much better, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop these off. If we can do it. just pops like that. That just lifts out. Does that lift out that way? And then that just pops out of there like that. Do this one as well. Right, I'll use a bit of this just to clean this up. Just clean them up. And I should have put a little bit of just normal grease in there, nothing, just normal blob like that. Sort of crap in that grease, but that's alright. And a blob like that. And then just pop that back in there like that. And that in there like that. Put my little spring clips back in. There back in. Right, you saw me grease those ball joints and the shaft. I'll show you, yeah. And I'll put a little bit of copper grease on the splines there, throughout the seas, rather than normal grease. Just it's to stop it seizing up, so if I have to take it off again, or someone in the future does it, it should come off easier. Lined up like that. I'll stick the bolt in there now. Right, you've got a mark on here. Again, I've put copper slip on it because I believe it's called, because you get dissimilar metals, you've got the steel of the, or stainless steel of the shaft, and then the alley of the lever. So you get, I think it's called galvanic corrosion. The two dissimilar metals. So that's where there's a struggle to get off, and you find that a lot. They say, oh, alley doesn't corrode, but it does. It sort of, it reverts to sort of dust, really, I think. If it's, you know, you can see the powdery on there, look, on that starter motor. Then obviously you get the two together, and the steel and the alley together, you get this dissimilar metal corrosion, which causes things to seize up. Well, that's how easy it changes gear now. You couldn't do that before. Not that I tried doing it with my toes sticking out of my sock before. So all that's left to do is put this cover back on. But you don't need to see that really. And then I can give it a road test. Okay, so I'll leave links to the rest of the GS videos. There's also a video of the fork seals being changed on that Triumph on the channel, so if you're interested, have a browse around, subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll try and do another video in a week or two. Bye for now.